Hello there and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be talking about using the DJI Crystalsky monitor with the DJI Mavic 2. Now I keep seeing people posting, does the Crystalsky work with the Mavic 2? I can't get it to work, what do I need to do? So in this video I'm going to take you through what exactly you need to do with your Crystalsky to get it to work with the Mavic 2. Now first of all, you will need a bracket to fit it to the remote controller, whether it be the original DJI one or this one like I've got here from the guys over at Evolution 3D. It's worth noting that the original DJI Crystalsky bracket for the Mavic series does not fit the Mavic 2 remote controller because the arms are different. It's the same situation as the Mavic Air. So if you are going to use a bracket, you need to find one that will work. As I said, I use this one from Evolution 3D. You'll also need to use it with an external cable as well. Very important. If you're going to use it with the bottom USB port, which is down there, you must remove this cable from the side. That bottom port will not work unless you totally remove this cable. So you must completely unplug it. Leaving this plugged in will stop that bottom port working. Right, let's take a look at the Crystalsky itself and see what you need to do exactly. Okay, so to use the Crystalsky with the DJI Mavic 2, first of all, the Crystalsky device must be on its latest software version. This is version 02.06.06.00. Now this is the Android system image version. To check this, you need to go into settings, scroll down to update, and make sure the version is 02.06.06.00. That is the latest version that it is on. You then need to make sure that your Go app on Crystalsky is updated to version 4.3.0 onwards. Now, something you need to understand first of all is that the Crystalsky does not use the same version of Go app that you get on Android. You have to update it from within the Crystalsky device itself. To do this, you first of all need to make sure that you have your Wi-Fi turned on. So you need the device connected to Wi-Fi so it is able to connect to the internet. Once it has done this, you should open DJI Go 4. Once you're on the home screen, you need to click on Me at the bottom down here. Now, because I've already gone online, it's already gone, oh, there's an update available, version 4.34. Do you wish to update? Now, I'm going to say no a minute, but to check this, you would come into Me, scroll down to Settings, and here it allows you to check for updates. So if it doesn't pop up and say, do you wish to update? You need to go into this screen and click the check for updates. It also shows you at the bottom here what version you are currently using. So I'm on currently 4.2.16 because I've reset this device back to factory. So to use it with the Mavic 2, it must be at least version 4.3.0. However, we now currently have version 4.3.4. So if I click check for updates, it'll then say, do you wish to update to the latest version 4.34, and click update. It will then download this to the Crystalsky device. Once the update has completed, it will take you to this screen asking you to install it. So we simply click install, let it do its thing, and then it will reboot back to being on the latest Go 4 app. As you can see, the Go app has installed, so I simply click open. It will reboot the Go app, and then you are ready to go to attach your Crystalsky to your remote controller. Okay, so just to demonstrate this before I finish this video up, as I said, Crystalsky is now on version 02.06.06.00 and Go app is on 4.34. We simply now connect it to my remote controller on the Mavic 2, I'm using a short USB to USB-C cable to go into the bottom. So it simply plugs into that port there and that port there. And this is simply a cable that I bought on Amazon. As I mentioned, you must remove this cable from the side or that bottom port will not work. So I have unplugged it and it is no longer in the port. I'm going to turn the RC on the Mavic 2 remote. And then I'm going to turn the aircraft on. Give it a moment, wait for it all to connect. It's now popped up on the screen, picked up Mavic 2. Click Go Fly. Click OK. And as you can see, it's all there, ready to rock and roll. It's all working. So if I dim the camera down a bit, we can see there's a fly safe message popped up. We don't need to worry about that one, but that's it. It's ready to go. So as I've said, Crystalsky will work with the Mavic 2, but you've got to make sure it's on the right firmware. It's as simple as that. And it works with all of the current features and everything. The only downside to using the Crystalsky in the past is it has been a little bit behind on the app updates, but as we're currently on 4.34, it means we get everything we need to get. That's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you like what you've seen, please do subscribe. There's a button down here somewhere in the bottom right hand corner. If you'd like to support the channel, there are some links in the description of this video to all of the products you've seen here. We're only able to make videos on this channel by you guys supporting us to be able to buy these products, to be able to show you this stuff. I appreciate everyone who does support the channel. I'd like to thank you all. But if you would like to support it, please do take a look at those links and you can get some of your new DJI products from there. That's it. Thank you for watching. I'll do another video again soon.